In this video, we're going to be working with levels. Now, levels allow us to adjust the colors and tones of our images. So what we can do is if we go to image and adjustments, and if we select levels, we can use with a Control L as well. And as you can see, we are able to adjust from here. We have the black point, we have the mid-tone point, and we have the highlights point. And if I was to focus on moving the highlights point, for example, as you can see, that's getting brighter and darker like so. And again, we can do the same thing with our mid-tones point, and we can also do the same with our black point. And we've also got the option of selecting auto. And if we select auto here, as you can see, Photoshop adjusts it to the most optimal settings accordingly. And we can make further adjustments like so. As you can see, we can further brighten our tone, and we can decrease it like so. It offers a lot of flexibility, and once we're done, simply put, if we just select OK, and our updates have been applied.